Hello, Dr. Wednesday. Got the news for you guys. It's a HP laptop. I'm unboxing it. And yeah. So you can hear the vendors in the background. I just got a shower. And so I can't turn it off yet. I don't like the arm when it's on in the shower. It's driving me fucking insane. Usually I have the TV on, but obviously I can never cover it. So yes. It's Valentine's Day and I'm single, so fuck all of you. But it's not a gift for Valentine's Day. It's for my mom, my gift from my dad for Christmas. This is what we bought her for Christmas. I just quit working yesterday. So I don't buy a cheap-ass computer. Dumbass. I just think you can see a fucking $1,000 limit. Then like people who buy the computer said, oh, I'm not buying the $1,000 computer. I want to get $200 less. Like, you told me $1,000 limit. I did. Like, fuck you, dude. Motherfucker can't hold his fucking word. Fucking, he says one thing and does another. It's so fucking annoying. So buy the first fucking computer he can find. And here we are now, I'm gonna go buy a fucking different one. Because the first one didn't work. I thought, you know, fucking, yeah, he cut the, I mean, straight line. But you know what? I just voted for a fucking video. Because I feel like it. I don't want me to set it up anyway. So that why fucking. Alright. Set up instructions, fuck yourself. Power cord. The wally, and then of course the actual brick. Then the computer itself. This manual is piss off. Do this cherry Holden style. Fun fact, I got my Lenovo E545. This is my this one's for my mom. I turned it on, and it lasted 10 seconds, and the battery died. Let's do it from this. Alright, whatever. We'll just plop it on the buffer. I'll turn the camera on a minute. Turn up the tripod. Oh. Sound it out. Whatever. Alright. Let's turn it on. There we go. Alright, I have both content. Let's just set the back for you guys. Alright. I'll just remove this down here. The other turn it is. Okay. This and everything on top of it. Just like that. Oh, fuck off. Be gone. Alright. Then here's your mom, here's me. Boom. Guess I went there. And just a power strip. Plug. There's not a power strip. Left one on the front. And then we'll plug it into the computer. I hope it comes alive. Really? Oh, there we go. Look at you got it fucking on it. I just get a dark button watch on my camera. That's weird. So we got a read the box right there. You got a 7th generation Intel Core i5, 7200 U8 GB DDR4 RAM, 15.6-inch screen monitor, E545 and a 1 TB hard drive. And it wouldn't, once you got to the disk, it wouldn't, the keyboard mouse wouldn't work. When I said I tested and no works.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Fuck you, Cortana.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
I'm not letting you go because I'm recording this. But you do need to talk later. I think the other book that we bought, my dad bought for keep it working. I'm trying to do it for Windows desk.
United States.
It wouldn't work.
Right?
It wouldn't work. So
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip. But yeah, the keyboard mouse wouldn't work in any boot disk. And in Windows the keyboard wouldn't work. The button, mouse and trackpad would work fine.
Do you accept?
And in Windows only external keyboard would work. Because reinstalling the driver, or uninstalling the driver, it wouldn't let me do that.
Well, let's get you connected.
It was going really slow too.
That way you can get
The current menu, it wouldn't, it would destroy the whole thing and it wouldn't work. So you want it. Also, Microsoft are fucking stupid because I found out while working on this that the right shit in Epic no longer works.
Found some. Hang tight.
Like seriously, fuck you Microsoft. Like we're going to get a mail about virus. I ain't gonna see that. Well, I fucking can't now. Yeah, but in Windows first, like how hard would it be for malware to take over the screen and then you can't use the start menu to put it in the safe mode? Fucking morons. If you like bullshit, starting up a fucking boot disk, pain in the ass.
We're going as fast as
Idiots.
we can. Promise.
Yeah, okay. Idiots are gonna buy my stuff. I'm sick of them. My computer, but I'm sick of doing problems that will probably cause late updates.
Still updating.
I think the old laptop got fucked up because the one that we were trying to replace for Christmas. Because she had buttons on and we got her the Lenovo one that I was talking about. So the Lenovo one back and we have this.
Almost
The
there.
Instagram I think is almost fucked up. It's all fucked up because of Windows update to be honest. As I shut off the last computer, I let it go.
Done.
I have laziness.
You're up to date.
And
Your computer will restart and
part of that could probably be accredited to Windows Update. I don't think it's all entirely Windows Update for once. The other laptop, the old laptop though, the Dell and Strong that she had before Christmas, still has. I think the updates got that all fucked up. So I restored it if it would let me. I don't know, it'd probably be alright. But I offered to, and my mom doesn't want to mess with it, so I got tired of hearing about it not working, so I gave it to my dad about getting a new one. Give me a $1,000 limit. I picked one up, I said 100. He said, no, we're going to 200 or less. I didn't think 31 actually. And yeah, now we're in this mess. So, I'm sure you know it's his fault because he picked it up. But, I'm just the guy that has to fucking deal with it. And then I'm obviously. I got most of those computers. But, one of them, the Mac works you wouldn't know how to use, first of all. The Dell Latitude I don't have a hard drive or enough RAM to run Windows. But whenever I still use another part too. Power button goes too slow. The D520 I have over here doesn't. I mean, it runs. You don't know. It needs actually no, it needs battery. But it needs both the main battery and the CMOS battery need to replace. Well, they're not there actually. And the hardware G4 doesn't really. It works. The hardware has one bad in it, but it's so old that you can't do shit with it anymore. When it goes to the internet, you can't do jack shit with it. Unfortunately. So, I think it's daytime computers and you're off buying more, but this one's not for me. You don't think I'm setting it up. But you know what, fuck, I'm gonna do it for a video. I don't need to do this probably for months, if not years, so why not? I got an easy enough way of doing it, so put up a camera and away we go. I was probably cut out of the video because I'm not doing all of it. But I don't fucking care. The work is Valentine's Day, so I do have a few of these. I can't see the LCD here. Yeah. So. One thing I had a bag of 250 of these for Valentine's Day last year. While copying video files around to my MacBook and my external hard drive, I got bored of all 250 of them in the bag. I think it's 250 of them. I don't know. I have to record my sound card right that night. I didn't go to the gym that night. Offline account, please. I have one, but she don't. Or, yeah, no, she doesn't. I think she'll find me that something time. I like offline. Because I don't know. How many assholes? Oh my god. No, it does not.
Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. Hey, look, it's the me part of setup.
No. It's a heartbreak.
Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select accept.
F you. F you. F you. F you. I went off, not basic. Fucking assholes. And fuck you too. I don't know if I did that. From last to first to first to last. Why don't you accept that, you sons of bitches?
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
Fuck you. No. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Alright.
Okay, that's the last step.
Great. Now fuck you too.
We need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to
Oh mine. Why don't you fucking spying on me, little shit. Not being wrong. Say mine, I don't want to use Windows 10 because it's full of fucking bullshit. Windows 7 TechSavvvvy bitches. that it? Nope. Alright, well, only I want to do is go down to here. Now I'm gonna go. Alright. Is that better anywhere I can fucking see the damn thing? Cool. That's kind of big. Okay. Services. You know who my target is. It actually works. Na 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 na. Hey hey hey. Goodbye. Fuck you. That should be the end of that. And this update is gone. I hope. We'll restart. Hopefully that's the end of that. So, I'm gonna boot on its own. And I'll go give it to my mom so she can get herself lit. Gotta move it fast because of the power cord. Oh, come on. That's me the last of it. Anyway. Probably the update, but that might update already. So, anyway, alright. Nothing, you guys. Take it easy.